Hi, this video will guide you through how to build the 3 units that you see here for display and retail. Just to let you know as well, there are some PDFs on the Bennick Builders website that you can download and print yourself and then display in whatever shelving units that you might have. This plastic unit is not included in anything that I would send you. So let's begin. Okay, so the unit for the memory set is actually pretty easy. It's just 4 pieces. You have the back, 2 sides, and the front. Really, you just slide the side into the front, and here as well. And depending on how tall you want it, you can just go like that without the back. If you do want the back, you can slide it in there, get it flush, and again, there you go. And it does fit on top of a box, next to it. That's entirely up to you. So pretty simple there. If you want to add glue, you can. It should stay together fairly firmly, but over time, you might want to add glue just to be safe. This is the finished product for the bookshelf, which I will take apart and put back together. The slats, you might want to add just a drop of glue when you put those in. Might save you some trouble over time. But basically it's a box with 4 sides. Nope, 5. A bottom, front, side, back. You can pull it apart. It should stay together once you put it together. But again, if you want to add just really tiny drops of glue in here, you certainly can. The main thing here, there is a front and a back, and by looking at it, especially by looking at this piece, you're not going to be able to tell by eye. It's a difference of about 1/16 of an inch. The main thing here, the back, well, you can see, is slanted. So put the high end, attach it there. The easiest way I have found to do it is to go ahead and add the bottom. Now here's the part that you can't tell for the front and the back. And you'll know as soon as you put it in, that's the wrong way, because with the back here, this doesn't fit. So flip it around. There you go. That's how you tell the front from the back. Add this piece here with the Bennick Builders logo. All right. And then this part is the fun part, because you have to line up the little notch here, 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 and here. That's 5 notches that you have to line up, or it won't work. Now, there we go. Sometimes you get lucky and it all goes in. Other times it takes a little bit of wiggling. I find profanity works occasionally if there are no kids around. So, but after that, there you go. And then drop the slats in. Again, I would recommend adding just the tiniest drop of Elmer's glue. You'll notice that some of the gaps in here are wider than others. The wider gaps are where the books go, but I had to account for the width of the ring itself, so I couldn't just put the books directly one in front of the other. I had to leave a little bit of space in between to account for the ring, and you'll see what I mean. And you'll decide how you want the little tag to display. But that's basically it. Again, it holds together fine for now. Over time, really just to be safe, you'll see we're just to add a couple of drops of Elmer's glue and you should be fine. For the Bennick builders, you have pieces for the little train here, as well as this display here. I'll start with the easy one, the train. It's just a chassis pair, and it's connected with these 3-unit pieces. So once you build that first, I would recommend building the structure first. Then you can put the axles and the wheels through, and then the rest of the train, a little chimney guy there. All right, that's fairly simple. This is also not as complicated as it looks. It's really just a box with an extra spine running up the back for support. So you have a box that's 5 units by 5 units, and I'll show you that with the pieces here. And then a spine running up the back for extra support that are made out of the 3-unit pieces. And then there's some 2-unit pieces to add a little support, and just makes it look a little bit nicer. So I'm going to call these the 5s, the 5-unit pieces. One of these has the logo on it. So keep that in mind, sort of take that out so you know exactly what you're doing there. Then you've got some 3-unit pieces and some 2-unit pieces. First, take these 5-unit pieces, 3 of them, and do this. Just a very simple U shape. All right. 2 of the 2s, put them right here in front, and you have your base. All right, that's all I've done is 3 of the 5 units. Ta-da. If you want to go ahead and add a piece with the logo on it, there you go. That's the very bottom. And this is the basic box that you'll have like this. In the back, to build the spine, you take 3 of the 3-unit pieces. And you do the same thing you did with the 5-unit pieces. Just make a little U, or looks sort of like a pi symbol. But once you have that, you attach it to the back like so, so that it looks like that. All right. And that will be the spine running up. And this is your basic construction running all the way up. So in the back, another 3-unit here, and then a 5-unit here. See, nothing really changes. You've got the 5-unit box and then the 3-unit spine. You're done with the front. 3s, building the spine, the extra support, a 3 in back, twos on the side. You don't even have to have these, but I think it just looks nicer. These don't really add any support. The pieces will come together in the back. You'll see how the corners fit together. But then again, with another 5, two more 3s, two more 2s, a 3, and a 5. Those were left over. And that's it. All right, from the top you can see it's the same pattern all the way up, like that. Again, it can fit on top of the box, next to it, however you choose to display it. And there you go. I'll hold the final piece closer so you can see. That's what the front looks like. That's what the side looks like. The back, it's hard to tell. There you go. There's the spine of the little bit extra support that the 3-unit pieces gives you. And then the other side again. All right. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And thank you for watching.